Hello everyone.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party in KwaZulu-Natal legislature is failing their own people who voted for them. It seems like they never had a proper system to govern that province. No vision, no mission, no 5-year plan to govern the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Firstly, they were fighting for positions in the KwaZulu-Natal legislature. The IFP, DA, ANC and NFP formed a government, excluding the party that got the highest numbers in terms of votes, with their 45%. They are now sitting in opposition benches. IFP also snatched the 7 positions of portfolio committee's chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal legislature. Yesterday, shortly after Umkhonto weSizwe Party walked out in protest. And Jane Kwanyana from the IFP is the Public Participation and Petitions Chairperson, P. Buthelezi for Education Chairperson, Dr. A. Biela for Human Settlements Chairperson, Transport Chairperson, and Mapisa for Public Works, P.N. Simango for Social Development, and Gubane, the Deputy Chairperson of Committees, is O.B. Kunene. All of them are from Inkatha Freedom Party, the Lolo Umkhonto weSizwe Party, with their 45%. The MK members are now frustrated. Others are saying they wasted their votes for voting for Umkhonto weSizwe Party. People reacted on social media and one said, "Did I waste my vote on Umkhonto weSizwe Party? It's chaos everywhere. No leadership, no direction, no vision. At Nhlamulo Ndlela, at least beef up your communications department so that the context of these decisions is understood." Another one said, "Court case incoming from Umkhonto weSizwe Party." Another one said, "I'm not happy with the way Umkhonto weSizwe Party is handling things." Someone also said, "People wasted their vote on Umkhonto weSizwe Party, said they are only realizing it now. Once Zuma is gone, so will the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Life goes on. Vote wisely next time." Another one said, "There's something wrong here. Committee vote for chairperson is done by committee. MK is majority in all committees. How can IFP or ANC or DA win chairperson?" Another one stated, "Yazi, we tried to revive Zuma out of love, and the old man decided to let us down yet again. I'm starting to think that Umkhonto weSizwe Party was going to be organized under the leadership of Khumalo, because this is utter nonsense." Someone also said, "It's not over until the fat lady sings. Watch the space."